Leftover mortar on a concrete floor should be removed to a consistent, clean surface before installing new flooring. Start by assessing the thickness and hardness of the thinset or mortar. For thin, flaky residue, begin with a stiff push broom and a mixture of warm water and a mild detergent to loosen dust and small particles. Agitate with a nylon scrub brush and rinse repeatedly until the slurry is manageable. For medium thickness, use a handheld razor-edged floor scraper or a long-handled floor scraper and work at a shallow angle to avoid gouging the concrete, keeping the blade sharp and replacing when it dulls. For hard or thick mortar, consider renting a hammer drill fitted with a pointed chisel bit to break the bulk up, and then follow with a cup brush or carbide scraper to get closer to the slab. If large areas have stubborn ridges, a walk-behind floor grinder with a diamond cup wheel is the most efficient choice. Grind in even overlapping passes, and use a dust shroud connected to a high-efficiency particulate vacuum to control silica dust. Always wear proper personal protective equipment, including a respirator rated for silica, eye protection, hearing protection, and knee protection, and finish by sweeping and vacuuming with a high-efficiency particulate vacuum and wiping with clean water to verify a smooth surface. Common mistakes include using too much water and leaving the slab saturated, which softens the substrate and extends drying time, so use only enough to create a slurry and dry thoroughly before new adhesive. Not using dust control, which creates a hazardous worksite. So always use a dust shroud and high-efficiency particulate vacuum when grinding or drilling, and relying only on hand scraping for large jobs, which wastes time and leads to uneven surfaces, so match the tool to the task by using grinders or hammer drills for heavy residue and hand tools for edges and detail work. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place for us to share project details, ask questions, and read real experiences. Our discussion community helps both homeowners and contractors find practical advice, post-work leads, and coordinate next steps.